If you need a view of just orders with certain attributes, then you can go ahead and do this in Warehance with filters. You can also do this for products, inbound shipments, returns, and a lot of other resources in Warehance. Now, if you find yourself using the same set of filters all the time, then you can create saved filters, and that's what we're going to go over today. How to best use filters and save filters to save yourself time and in turn, save yourself money. If you don't know who I am, I'm Brady Agronoff. I'm co-founder of Warehance. We're a modern WMS, and if you need a demo or you want to start a 60-day trial, go down to the link in the description below and you can find those there. Now let's get started. Filters and save filters are used all over Warehance on almost every table, but today we're going to be using the orders table for an example, but you can again find these filters all over Warehance. So how do you find and use these filters? At the top of the table, there's going to be a filter button, which you can click on, which will bring out a drawer of filters for that resource. In the case of orders, we've got a bunch of different options that you can filter by. Once you have the filter drawer open, then you can go ahead and start selecting your filters and applying them. So in my case, I'm gonna want to choose orders that are ready to ship, that aren't allow partial, and that are at a given warehouse. So to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and choose ready to ship yes, allow partial no, and then I'm also going to choose the warehouse that I'm at. Now, if I just wanna see orders that fall under this filter once, I can press apply filters and start looking. But if I want to use this filter all the time in the future, I can press the save button in the bottom right and it'll create me a new save filter. So I can go ahead and put in a name, click save, and now there's going to be a little drop down at the top of this page above the table where you can see all your saved filters for that table. So now anytime that you go to that table, it's going to be super easy to get that same view again. You just open that drop down, click on it, and all your filters are applied. So if you're using the same filters every day, maybe even every week, this will save you a bunch of time just by adding that save filter, and you can go through and click on it super quickly and get the view that you need as quick as possible. If you want to go through and edit the names of your saved filters, you can do that by opening up the filter tab, going to save filters at the top right, and then you can go ahead and click the edit button from there and change the name of that filter. That's also where you have the option to delete a saved filter if you no longer want to use it. So as you can see, save filters can save you a ton of time in your WMS if you happen to need to get very specific views all the time on any of the resources that you're looking at. So if you need a new WMS or you're getting started with the WMS for the first time, go down in the link in the description below. You can get a 60-day free trial or a demo from one of us where we'll walk you through the product. Happy shipping.